Good morning, students. Welcome back to biology classroom once again. Today I will discuss small intestine. So let's start. Look at the book. The small intestine is very long tube, above 7.5 meters long. Though small intestine is very long, it is called small intestine because it is quite narrow tube. The small intestine is arranged in the form of a coil in our belly. The small intestine in a human being is the site of complete digestion of food. So what is the meaning of this particular portion? Basically, small intestine, moreover 7.5 meter long, though it is a small intestine, it is very long tube, but it is called small intestine. For what? Because it is quite narrow rather than large intestine. Basically, small intestine arranged in a coil-like structure inside our belly. The small intestine in human body is the complete site of the food digestion because after digestion, the food is reabsorbed in the small intestine. So look at the figure. This is the yellow portion is known as small intestine. It is about 7.5 meter long. Though it is a long cylindrical tube, rather it is called narrow than large intestine. That's why it is also known as small intestine. Basically, the complete digestion of food, reabsorption of food takes place in the small intestine. Small intestine basically consists of three parts: duodenum, middle jejunum and ileum. So look at the figure. That part is directly attached with stomach. So green part is which is directly attached with stomach. That part is also known as duodenum. It is a frontal part of small intestine. Middle part is also known as jejunum, and the last part which is one coiled with fused with large intestine, that is also known as ileum. The small intestine is also main region whereas the reabsorption of digested food takes place. It has consist of mainly three parts: duodenum, middle jejunum and ileum. The inner surface of the small intestine has million of teeny finger-like outgrowth called villi or villus. The presence of villi gives the inner wall of the small intestine a very large surface area which actually help in the rapid absorption of food. So look at the picture. That is the figure of villus. Basically, the inner wall of the small intestine is consist of lots of finger-like projection. These are known as villi or villus. And the proper reabsorption of food is normally takes place in the villus because it accommodates a large space inside the small intestine. Next, large intestine. The large intestine is about 1.5 meter long. It is called large intestine because it is quite wide tube. So why it is called large intestine? Because it is shorter than long intestine, though it is known as large intestine because it is quite wide rather than small intestine. The undigested and unabsorbed food from the small intestine enters into the large intestine. Which kind of food is not digested, not necessary for our body, that is thrown away from small intestine to large intestine. It has three main parts: cecum, colon and rectum. The cecum is sac-like structure that receives the contents of the ileum and continues the absorption of water and salt. Student, this line is very important. Cecum is the part, that is sac-like structure which normally continues the absorption of water and salt, normally which received from ileum. The cecum then lends to colon, which is further divided into ascending, transverse and descending colon. I mean, which one is reabsorbed at the unnecessary product normally enters in the cecum, which is further divided into the ascending, transverse. I mean, जो normally सीकम जो है उसका फ्रंटल पार्ट उसको हम ascending transverse पार्ट से बोलेंगे एंड नीचे वाला पार्ट को बोलेंगे descending colon. Finally, the colon lends to the rectum, which is the last part of the large intestine. The rectum open outside through the anus. इस लाइन को दाग लगाना. The rectum open outside through anus. The inner lining of the intestinal wall has numerous finger-like projection called villi. This projection helps to increases the surface area for the absorption of food. I mean normally जो हम लोग भिल्ली का फिगर दिखा रहे हैं, ये फिगर जो है inner wall of intestine is consist of lots of finger-like outfit that is known as villas. It consumes lots of space which actually help to reabsorption of food. This projection help to increase the surface area. क्योंकि नॉर्मली ये सरफेस एरिया को बढ़ा रहा है इसलिए ज़्यादातर खाना यहाँ पे रिएब्जॉर्ब होता है. Thus villi enable maximum absorption of digested food particles. एक्चुअली नॉर्मली खाना का जो रिएब्जॉर्प्शन होता है और अननेसेसरी पार्ट जो रिएब्जॉर्प्शन होने के बाद तुरंत ब्लड के साथ मिल जाता है वो होता है villi में. नेक्स्ट, ट्रू फॉल्स. Alimentary canal is also known as gut. True. The food pipe is also known as buccal cavity. False. The saliva is a digestive juice which help to digest the starch present in the food partially. True. The small intestine secretes hydrochloric acid and digestive juice. False. The large intestine in humans in the site of complete digestion of food. True. And the last one is the large intestine is quite wide in size. Answer. Sorry. Answer. Answer will be true. The large intestine is quite wide in size. आकार में वो थोड़ा wide है. So answer will be true. So student, I hope all of you have understood what I have discussed today. So for today, up to this portion.